Good morning, class 3. I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, bete, we are going to start with the new session. I welcome you in my class. Myself, Navjot Kaur. I'm your science teacher. So, we will start science from today onwards. So, we are going to start with the first chapter of our book, that is Eating Habits of Animals. Eating Habits of Animals. Everyone, please open your books at page number 11. Page number 11 of your books. So what we are going to study in this chapter is eating habits of animals. Different animals, they eat food, different types of food, and depending upon the food they eat, what they are called as. As we eat food, human beings eat food, we eat plant food also, we eat meat also. So if the human beings that eat plant food, they are called as vegetarian, and who depend mainly on the meat or flesh, they are called as the non-vegetarian. The same way animals, they also categorized into different categories depending upon the food that they eat. जिस जिस तरह का वो फूड खाते हैं उसके बेसिस पे ही उनको अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. सो दिस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर. Everyone, please look in your books. Like us, animals also need food for energy, to grow and to remain healthy. As we eat food to get energy, to grow and to keep ourselves healthy, the same way animals, they also need food to get energy, to grow and to keep their health fit and fine. Unjumble the names of the 5 animals, then write the name of their food. So there are some names given to you over here. You have to unjumble means write the names of the animals in the correct order. इनकरेक्ट ऑर्डर में दिए हैं आपको, आपने उनको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखना है. एंड राइट द नेम ऑफ देयर फूड एंड राइट द नेम ऑफ द फूड दैट दे ईट. जो जो वो फूड खाते हैं उसको आपने वो उनके सामने लिखना है. सी द फर्स्ट वन. See, bete. First one is cow. WOC, that is the cow. Second, lion. Third one is bear. Cow, lion, bear. And what does a cow eat? Cow eat grass. That is given over here. You have to choose from here. Lion, it eats flesh of animals. Bear eats plants and flesh of animals. So these are the answers. First is cow, second lion, and third one is bear. Cow eats grass, lion eats flesh of animals, and bear eats plants as well as flesh of the animals. Now come downwards. What is there? Circle the animals that are eating the wrong food. You have to circle over here the animals that eat the wrong food. A cow is eating the grass. It is correct because the food of the cow is grass only. Monkey is eating the squirrel. It is wrong because monkey mainly depends on the plant food. It eats plant food. This is wrong. Next, deer. A deer is eating snake. This is also wrong because deer, it also eats the plant food. So circle these two animals, monkey and deer. Now come to page number 12, eating habits of animals. Now we'll read about the types of animals depending upon the food that they eat. जिस जिस तरह का वो खाना खाते हैं उसके बेसिस पे किन किन कैटेगरीज में एनिमल्स को डिवाइड किया गया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. Different animals have different eating habits. Some animals eat only plants. Cow, buffalo, goat, sheep and horse eat grass. A rabbit eats carrot. A monkey loves to eat bananas and nuts. Animals that eat only plants, fruits and vegetables are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. First are herbivores. Now see what are herbivores. There are some animals that eat only plants or plant products on leaves, branches, twigs, vegetables, fruits. Means these are the food that we get from the plants only. They don't depend on any other food. They only eat plants. Example are given: cow, buffalo, sheep. They eat grass. Monkey eats bananas. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. Carrot is also a plant food. So the animals that eat plants or plant food or plant products, they are called as herbivores or plant eating animals. Two names are given to them: herbivores or plant eating animals. Example: cow, buffalo, horse, sheep, rabbit, monkey. All these are the herbivores because these animals, they eat only plants or plant products. That is why they are called as herbivores. So this is the first category of the animals that eat the plants. Now come to the second category, that is carnivores. Now see what are carnivores. Animals such as lion, tiger, leopard and fox eat the flesh of other animals. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Now come to the carnivores. The animals that eat flesh of other animals, they are called as carnivores. They don't depend on the plants. They only depend on the other animals. They eat meat or flesh of the other animals. That is why they are called as carnivores. Lion, tiger, leopard, fox, all these are the carnivores because they eat the flesh of other animals. Now come to the third category, that are omnivores. Now omnivores, animals such as ostrich, crow and bear eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Human beings also eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Animals that eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Now what are omnivores? Animals that eat plants as well as flesh of animals, that are called as omnivores. Herbivores, they eat plants. Carnivores eat flesh of other animals. And omnivores, they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. ये plants भी खाते हैं, flesh भी लेते हैं. That are the omnivores. Ostrich. We, human beings, they eat plant products also. They eat meat also. That is why we are called as omnivores. Ostrich, bear, crow, all these come under the category of omnivores. So till now we have read about the three categories of the animals depending upon the food they eat: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So you should know what are the three types of animals depending upon the food they eat: herbivores that eat plants, carnivores that eat flesh of other animals, omnivores eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. So these are the three types of animals. Now come to next page, page number 13. How animals eat. Now we'll study how animals eat their food. वो अपना खाना कैसे खाते हैं. As we have teeth to eat food, the same way animals also have teeth as well as other organs for eating food. Now let's see. How an animal eats depend on the kind of food it eats. Herbivores such as horse, cow, giraffe and goat have flat and broad front teeth to bite off leaves and grass. Their strong back teeth help them to chew the food well. Now come to first herbivores. How animal eat? It depends upon the food it eats. वो कैसे खाता है खाना अपना animal? वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि वो कैसा खाना खा रहा है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द फूड इट ईट्स. Herbivores such as horse, giraffe, sheep, they have flat and broad front teeth. जो उनके front teeth होते हैं, they are flat and broad. Broad means they चौड़े चौड़े and flat. And their back teeth, they are very strong to chew the food well. With the help of the front teeth है जो उनके flat and broad है, इनके help से वो ब्रांचेस को तोड़ते हैं बिकॉज दे ईट प्लांट्स ओनली, ट्विग्स एंड ब्रांचेस. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर बैक टीथ, जो पीछे वाले टीथ है उनके, दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट दे च्यू देयर फूड वेल. उसकी हेल्प से वो फूड को अच्छे से चबाते हैं. दैट इज अबाउट द हर्बीवोर्स. Cows and buffaloes swallow their food after chewing once. Later they bring it back into their mouth and keep chewing it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. Sheep, giraffe and camel also chew the cud. Now beta, what happens? There are some animals like cows, sheep, camel, buffalo. They swallow their food after chewing once. एक बार वो अपना खाना चबाते हैं, फिर उसको निगल लेते हैं. निगल लेना means swallow करना. That is called swallow. अंदर ले जाना. After chewing, they swallow the food. चबाने के बाद वो swallow कर लेते हैं. After that, they again bring their food into their mouth. वो दोबारा से अपने मुंह में लेकर आते हैं वही खाना. And then they start chewing it for hours. वो काफी देर तक फिर उसे चबाते रहते हैं. That process is called chewing the cud. उसे बोलते हैं chewing the cud. You must have seen buffaloes and cows. They keep on moving their mouth. वो अपने माउथ को हिलाते ही रहते हैं खाना चबाने के लिए. That is called chewing the cud. उसे बोलते हैं chewing the cud. Again I am telling you what is chewing the cud. Some animals they swallow the food whole after chewing once. एक बार चबाने के बाद वो सारा खाना अपने अंदर ले जाते हैं. After that they again bring the food into their mouth. वो अपने माउथ में दोबारा वो खाना लेकर आते हैं and keep chewing it for hours. And काफी देर तक वो उसको चबाते रहते हैं. That is called chewing the cud. What is cud? Cud is the half chewed food. Half swallowed and chewed food. जो आधा ही चबाया गया हो. That is called cud. Half chewed food. जिसे पूरा नहीं चबाया गया अभी तक. Something is left to be chewed. That is cud. Rabbits, rats and squirrels have sharp front teeth with which they bite nuts, fruits and seeds. These animals gnaw the food. जो rabbits, rats, squirrels हैं, they have very sharp front teeth. जो उनके front वाले teeth हैं वो बहुत sharp होते हैं. With the help of which they bite nuts and seeds. Because their food is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, they are very hard to break. उनको ब्रेक करने के लिए something sharp to be needed. So they have very sharp front teeth with which they break their nuts and seeds. These animals gnaw the food. Gnaw means there is one word called gnaw. Gnaw क्या होता है? To keep biting something to eat it slowly. That is called gnawing. Keep biting something. कुतरते कुतरना. Rats they gnaw the food. कुतरते रहते हैं जो चीजों को. That is called gnawing. To keep biting something to eat it. That gnawing. Carnivores such as tiger, lion, fox and dog have very sharp pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. They have strong jaws. Their back teeth are broad and flat. These animals chew the flesh with their back teeth. Now come to the carnivores. Their front teeth they are very sharp and pointed. कार्निवोर्स के जो फ्रंट टीथ होते हैं बहुत तीखे होते हैं. विद विच दे टीयर द फ्लैश. फ्लैश को टीयर करने का काम करते हैं वो. दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग जॉस. देयर जॉस दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. देयर बैक आर ब्रॉड एंड फ्लैट. जो पीछे वाले टीथ हैं वो ब्रॉड एंड फ्लैट हैं. जो फ्रंट वाले हैं वो तीखे हैं. दे हैव फ्रंट शार्प टीथ. These animals chew the flesh with their back teeth. फ्रंट टीथ से वो टीयर करते हैं फ्लैश को, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द बैक टीथ दे च्यू द फूड, उससे वो चबाते हैं फूड को. Snakes do not have chewing teeth, they swallow their food whole. Snakes, they do not have teeth. Have you seen teeth of snakes? No, they don't have teeth, they swallow their food whole. जैसे वो खाना डालते हैं अपने माउथ में, they swallow it, चुबाने की उनको जरूरत ही नहीं है, they swallow it whole, वो पूरा का पूरा ही उसको swallow कर लेते हैं, निगल लेते हैं. So this is how the animals they eat food. Some of the animals, some are left, that will continue in the next lecture. You please read up to here that we have done till today. So go through it, and next we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.